Hello, today you join me in Poulter Park near Chesterfield. The weather's been a bit weird the last few weeks, extreme heat, leading to all kinds of hosepipe bans and droughts in Yorkshire and here in the East Midlands. Or it's been pouring with rain, so I managed to grab a few hours today. It's a Thursday, going out for a short walk around Poulter Country Park. So not quite a hike, but not quite a side quest either. Now there's a few things here at Poulter Park that I really want to see. So let's get on with the walk, keep watching, and I'll show you the exciting things. I think I've spotted the first thing. So Poulter Country Park has numerous pieces of artwork, sculptures, because of the Neolithic history that's rich here in Derbyshire. And the main event is called On Top of the World. We'll get to that next, unless there's something in between. So being in a country park, it's got a really nice walking surface on it. Say, not really a hike, more a walk or a stroll. I parked in the main car park, but there's also another one just over there. So a short walk today, back at the car park already. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you've already done that and you've come back, thank you very much. Like I say, I hope you enjoyed the sculpture there from 2015, celebrating the Neolithic remains that's scattered all over the land here. Maybe that'll inspire me to go and see a real one next time. You take care. See you later.